A pioneer tree used for constipation, chest pains, and tuberculosis. What a fantastic tree it is. Introducing Alim Melanolepis multiglandulosa of the family Euphorbiaceae. The genus name Melanolepis comes from the Greek word melas meaning black and lepis meaning scale or skin. The species name multiglandulosa is from Latin multi meaning many and glandula meaning gland, indicating the presence of multiple glands. Alim is distributed throughout Malaysia, including the Philippines, and regrowth thickets, roadsides, and primary forest. Alim is a pioneer tree species reaching a height of 20 meters and a diameter of 20 centimeters. Its wood is commonly used as firewood or fuel wood, while the bark, leaves, and flowers, either fresh or slightly heated, are applied to the skin as a sudorific for chest pains and fever. The bark of the stem is also used for sore throat by the Sobanons of Zamboanga del Sur. It is also used for dyeing, where the ashes of old leaves are used as an additive to a sweet tea. Leaves mixed with ginger as a poultice or scarf, as a vermifuge, crushed dried leaves with cold water for constipation, chest pains, and tuberculosis, bark as tea for cough. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.